Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see the cute easy drawing of wolf and also some facts about wolf. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Wolf is a wild mammal. Number 2. Wolf weigh up to 80 kilograms. Number 3. Wolf follow a carnivorous diet. Number 4. Wolves can run for many miles over the course of a day, averaging at 5 miles per hour. Number 5. Wolves are not picky eaters. They eat what they get. Number 6. They eat a lot. The average wolf will eat up to 2.5 pounds of meat a day. Number 7. Most of the wolves live as long as 17 years. Number 8. Grey wolf's lifespan is 6 to 9 years. Number 9. Wolves have tremendous amount of stamina. Number 10. Wolves are endangered species. Number 11. Wolves can smell from miles away. Wolves' sense of smell is 100 times stronger than of humans. Number 12. Wolves have very large feet. It is 4 inches wide and 5 inches long. Number 13. Wolves' ears are pointy and well-rounded also, and wolves have 42 teeth. Number 14. Wolves identify their territories through scent. Number 15. In the forest depth, wolves communicate through subtle whisper calls. Whispering is the secret language of wolves. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of wolf and facts about wolf. If you are, hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel to get more drawings with some informations. Thank you. Bye bye.